So I did my apprenticeship at Porsche, which at the time was in South Yarra. So Alan Hamilton owned it back then, which is a while ago. So that was in 1986. It was one of those things, after finishing school, got a job somewhere over the Christmas break for a couple of weeks. And it was working at Porsche. So worked there, and I actually got along really well with the mechanics there. Some of our sense of humours were the same, and it was a really enjoyable time. Came back and I'd spent a couple of weeks at home, and I got a phone call out of the blue from the manager there, and he said, "Hey, listen, some of the guys here think you'd be good at this. Had you ever thought about doing it for a job?" And I actually spoke to my grandfather, who's an aeronautical engineer. He indicated that some of the best people he'd ever hired actually had a mechanical background before doing an engineering degree or something else. So quite naively, I sort of said, "Oh yeah, okay, yeah, why not?" So that's how I started. I sort of turned up at Porsche to start an apprenticeship there in '86. So from that minute onwards, I suppose, yeah, haven't stopped. Yeah, from quite early on, yeah, just Porsches. Yeah. My name is Ben Faggoter. My title at Weltmeister is Head Technician.